everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and so today I am going to be doing my paycheck to paycheck number 2 for the month of October. All right, you guys. So, for some reason, when I was doing my monthly budget setup in Paycheck 1, there was no recording. So, what I'm going to do is just briefly go over that and then jump into the numbers for Paycheck 2. So, for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Those who are not new, thanks for continuing to support the channel. And let's get started. So, I am using this budget planner, digital planner. And so, let's see. We are going to go over to the month of October. And so, this is the monthly layout that I thought I had recording for, but I didn't. But as you can see, I have my bills labeled for the month, and I have the weeks of the paydays, which is the 1st, 15th, and the 29th. So I did set up the monthly budget, and I just noticed that I found another correction. After I did the video, I realized that I was 3 paychecks in the month. So this is another addition that I forgot. So let me make a change to this as well. So that's one thing, is when you're doing your budget, you can remember things after the fact. So I'm just gonna go in and add this 1577.76, so I can update that. So it's $4,733.28. And then what I also noticed is, when I was doing this, I did 2 of the payments for Chime and for the credit union for the project, and it's supposed to be 3. So I added those to the side. And now I need to, oh goodness, I just realized I need to do this as well. Okay. So let's make sure that I did the amounts over, because I'm not sure. So what I'm doing is quickly just adding back up these numbers. 41, 25, 24, 141.03, 360, 400, 50, 1633 plus 176.24. And then this is, let me change to, let me just write this number here, because I just realized. So 2690.61. So we got 140 times 3, so 420 for the month. Add that to the 2690.61. Wait a minute. 2690.61 plus 420. Okay, so that is the new monthly expense, which is $3,110.61. And take that away from 4733.28. Wait a minute, $4,733.28. Take away $3,110.61. And I just feel like this ain't right, but it's a chance that there's a chance that I know what's going to be off about this because that last paycheck is going to pay some of those 1st of November checks. So I already know that is going to end up changing. But for those who watch my videos, you know that I usually do all my deductions at the end of the month. So let's go over. So for the first paycheck, for October the 1st, what I did was I did the payroll. I did the Chime, credit union project, savings, lights, cell, cable, student loan, storage. I ended up paying more. Vet, how much I paid for the vet visit, gas, cash envelopes. And then I did end up paying another payment on the storage. So I was under by 28 cents. So, of course, anything else that came out that I wasn't expected, I had to end up using my rollover money from anything from September. So let's go ahead and let's look at October the 15th, which is paycheck number 2. And so I hope you all can see this because it seems like sometimes this thing don't do right. Let's see. I'm pulling up this stuff off my Fudget apps because I can make sure that I'm capturing everything because sometimes it's just so easy to forget. So I have the Chime, which is actually $100. I have the credit union, which is a 105. I have savings, and that's 140. Project fund, which is the 100. Cash envelopes, which is 360. Student loan, which is 1633. My truck insurance, which is 176.24, and then I had to get some supplies from PetSmart and some other miscellaneous stuff that I got when I was doing that, and that was 120. And then of course my Apple iCloud that I just paid, that's just 99 cents. So let's go ahead and total this up. We have 100 plus 105 plus 140 plus 100 plus 360 plus 1633 plus 176.24 plus 120 plus 99. The devil. 100 plus 105 plus 140 plus 100 plus 360 plus 1633 plus 176.24 plus 120 plus 99 cents. Now I know that's not right. So it's, let's see, 0.99 plus 100 plus 105 plus 140 plus 100 plus 360 plus 1163 plus 176.24 plus 120 plus, oh, that's it. So it is $1,113.86. Take that away from 1577.76. It's 463.90. So that's what I am looking at for Remaining balance. Oh, the devil. Well, I'm not even gonna try to do that. So let's just do that. I'm in the green, and I have remaining funds for this upcoming paycheck. So that is basically it. Oh no, I need to. Oh, I did. I had already set it up. So what I did was I set up the cash envelopes. I am no longer doing the YouTube right now. That's on hold. Um, I did my categories, my standards of my groceries, gas, kids, cleaning, movie, personal, and then of course my dog Max. So after I bought some things, I had 184 left out of the cash envelopes for these categories, and then of course the taxes. Because I'm using the money in here to make the monthly payments. I have $300 available, so I'm still putting it in as I'm making the payments. So that is basically it for this paycheck to paycheck. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. And most importantly, don't forget to support the channel by clicking the red subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and the notification bell so you are aware whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.